Ayan, nabitawan na po niya yung mic.
I'm so tired. So, ito ba ito? Hey guys, Lars here. Welcome back to another vlog. Merry Christmas! It's December 22nd guys, 22. Di ba halata, naka-pajama na ako na Christmas vibe. So mukha akong regalo. Please excuse this pimple mark. But anyway, I just really want to film this kasi feeling ko bukas hindi na ako makakapag-intro dahil I'll be very groggy because I'm finally doing my hair transplant surgery with Dr. Tika and my very good friend Dr. Baker. I'm so happy kasi nung na-meet ko sila, na-feel ko agad na I'm really in good hands. Dr. Tika has been in the industry for 40 to 45 years ata, and also Doc Baker, he's really good in what he's doing. Of course, my very good friend Danny as well and Doc Leola. So thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving me. So I've been wanting to do this dati pa. Nag-inquire pa ako sa isang clinic sa Makati. And nung time na yun, hindi pa ganitong hair ko, na hindi nyo nakikita actually. Now I think is the perfect time. Tomorrow I'll be having my surgery at 7 a.m. So it will take 9 hours daw, yun yung sabi sa akin. I hope it goes well, so please pray for me. Check nyo na lang kung ano yung mangyayari sa vlog. But it's with Optimum Medical with Dr. Tika and Dr. Baker. So actually, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I mean, yung process talaga. But I've watched several videos of it. So may idea naman ako, pero hindi ko alam kung paano yung process na ginagawa nila Dr. Tika and Dr. Baker. But they are just located, by the way, here in Ortigas. Going back to my roots, yung dad ko, grabe, sobrang nag-recede yung hair niya. And nasa genes talaga namin nag-recede yung hair. Gusto ko siyang agapan kasi yun din naman yung suggestion ng good friends ko na na-meet ko, makikita nyo tomorrow, na while healthy pa yung hair mo, as soon as kaya mo nang gawin na magpa-surgery, it's better to have it done as early as 30 or mid-30s. If you have the means as well, you better do it, lalo kung mahaba pa yung hair mo or makapal pa siya. The last time na nagpa-check ako sa scalp, nakita naman nila na super healthy pa yung hair ko kasi yung mga strands ng hair ko, yung follicles, usually 3, 2, very healthy pa talaga siya. That's why gusto ko na siyang gawin agad. And tiniming ko na December 22 para at least wala na akong makakasama, puro mga families and close friends ko na lang while I'm healing. And also usually kasi kapag January, hindi masyadong madami yung work and hindi bugbog and mas makakapagpahinga talaga ako. And then, ang requirements pala nila, by the way, is may mga blood tests sila, mga x-ray. Isasend nila yon kapag magpapasurgery ka sa kanila. May mga ECG, blood typing, etc. etc. sa MedClub. So, MedClub is located at Vertis North. So, eto, sinend lang nila sa akin online yung result. Tapos, sinend ko lang yung x-ray. Hindi nyo lang makikita kasi ang taas ng screen. So, yan. Sinend ko lang yan sa kanila. Nung okay naman and super good nung result ko, in-schedule na agad nila ako. I'm so excited and I don't know what's about to come tomorrow and what's going to happen. Look at that. I'm so excited na bumaba na ulit siya. Kaya ako to gustong i-share sa inyo kasi a lot of you and sa generation natin, ang dami ng mga may problem din sa hair and pwede ko namang i-share and this might be an inspiration for you and also to people na who has the means naman and hindi lang nila alam kung saan pwedeng gawin or saan pwedeng ipagawa. With this one, baka magka-idea kayo na magpa-hair transplant. Parang dapat hindi naman na kinakahiya, no? Actually, nung una, nahiya ako na tumataas yung hairline ko. But I had to face it, di ba? Wala naman akong magagawa. And sa totoo lang, ang dami ko nang ginamit na pampahaba ng hair, pampakapal, pampatubo ulit. Nag-roller pa ako, yung parang roller na derma roller, na infect pa yung dito na part ko kasi dito ko talaga yung concern ko. Tapos, ang bagal ng process niya, lahat ng type of minoxidil ginamit ko na. Sa totoo lang, ang hindi naman dahil sa sobrang fan ako ni Beyonce, parang yun yung pinaka-effective na ginamit ko. But pinili ko pa din na mag-surgery and i-stop yun kasi iba pa din syempre yung surgery, at least yun itatanim talaga and sarili mong hair din naman. As for me, in my case, dito siya kukunin yung hair, yun yung ilalagay dito sa hairline and dito sa side na to. Para at least pag tumubo siya after a year or 2, hindi na siya halata and super healthy na ulit yung hair. Mukha na siyang normal. and mas, I think, it will help you look younger. Kakapal ulit yung hair mo. Just keep on watching, guys. I don't know what to expect for tomorrow, but love you guys. Good night and see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you. Diba? Ito, sobrang tumaas na siya. Pero, parang medyo tayang arte. Yes. Okay guys, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Good morning. Pagdating ko dito, chinek na agad nila yung hair ko and then nilagyan nila ng line kung hanggang saan siya ibababa. Actually, nandito si Doc Leola. Ayan siya, nanonood siya sa... Doc, come here.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. It's 7 a.m.
It is, oh my god, and we're ready to put Larby to sleep.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep for 9 hours.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Honestly, I don't know what's about to happen and kung ano yung maramdaman ko. But Doc told me na it's gonna be painless naman. No? So, I'm quite excited as well na explain din nila sa akin kung ano yung bagay na pwedeng gawin na kung gaanong pwede ibaba yung hairline. As you can see, ito na yung pinaka-natural looking na hairline. And meron din ako sa side. Yun, it's gonna be 9 hours or less na surgery. I-undercut daw yung hair ko. So,
To get the graft, that will be transferred.
wala pa si Dr. Baker, nandito tayo kay Dr. Baker. And then, lilipat tayo sa Optimum later para patulugin na ako.
Yes, light addiction.
Wala pa akong kape. Gusto kong magkape sana. Bawal ako magkape.
Cannot be.
So yeah, tinanong muna nila ako, nag-fasting ako, and then 8 hours na fasting. Tapos nag-film lang ako ng mabilis kasi pinagpapalitan nila ako ng damit. I'm going to
Get
sleep.
it on!
Enjoy watching, guys. See you later. Ah! Optimum Wow! Such a long time nung nagpa-haircut akong ganito. Oh my God! Oh my God! Solid. Hi, Doc. So excited.
Ako din.
We are about to sleep. Doc Leola is making me sleep. I'll see you guys later.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Huwag ka na, Larbs. Para masarap yung hair transplant natin.
Ayan, nabitawan na po niya yung mic. Sige, Larb. See you later. Sleep time. So now we are creating the holes where the hair will be planted. Still asleep. 6 hours later.
Doc,
What?
thank you very much. We are done. I'm so tired.
Wow, natulog ka lang. You're so tired. You're the one that's tired.
Wow, my hairline. Hello po.
Hello po.
Here at Optimum Medical Group. May hairline na ako na totoo. Hindi ko na siya i-edit. Thank you po. I love you. Guys, I'm home. It's already 8:30 and inabot ako ng 8 p.m. kasi from 7 a.m. kanina. After 6 hours na surgery, I waited for Joy. And then, after that, bumiyahe kami pa uwi. Pa kumakain, nagugutom na ako. In all fairness, wala namang restrictions when it comes to food. What do I feel? Wala naman ako nararamdaman. I feel lang na medyo heavy yung head ko or dahil masikip to or hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. But kanina I was super high because of the anesthesia. Tapos super funny kasi nag-vlog ako and sabi ko kay Doc Leola, mag-vlog ako and magpo-phone din ako pag papavideo ako. So funny kasi yung mga video ko, nagsasalita daw ako habang ino-opera ako. Ako pa daw nag-ask ng phone. So, I'm gonna show you. Tinanong ko pa daw sila. Actually, maraming clips. Kanina, nung nire-review ko, hindi ko na-expect na ganun yung video. But yeah, I don't feel any pain. Binaba nila lang ng super minimal lang yung hairline ko. They made sure na sobrang natural pa din nung look nung hair ko. And then, binigyan din nila ako ng tip na hindi nila pwedeng ibaba itong side na to ng sobra pala. Kasi kapag tumatanda pala tayo, naturally, as in nagre-recede talaga ng konti yung hair. But sa atin, they made sure na binaba nila, but to the point na kapag tumanda and ma-lessen ulit yung hair, maging natural looking pa din siya kahit na mas matanda na and hindi halatang nagpa-surgery ka. And then, when it comes to scars naman, hindi naman siya nagsascar kasi tatakpan din siya ng hair in the first place. And then, for this naman, gagaling din siya yung mga sugat and pati dito. Tomorrow, babalik ulit ako sa Baker for the follow-up. Uminom na rin ako ng gamot. Ito yung reseta ni Dr. Tika. Uminom na ako ng gamot that I can use. I think ito ang magiging best friend ko. Buti na lang meron akong mga ganito. Marami akong ganito. Kasi pwede ko siyang, hindi mo siya pwedeng ipitin. Pero pwede mo siyang iganyan. Or itali. Basta wag lang masikip. Yun lang yung update. I don't feel any pain. I feel great and happy and I can't wait to see the result. Pagtulog pala, isa sa concern, bawal ako matulog ng pahiga. Kailangan parang nakaupo, parang ganito lang. Kailangan ko ng neck pillow. Buti na lang meron akong neck pillow. Hindi siya pwedeng mahawakan or madiinan kasi pwedeng matanggal yung mga baby hair na nilagay or yung mga follicles. Sayang. Yun lang. I'll see you guys tomorrow sa check-up. And thank you so much, Joy, for picking me up earlier. Yun lang, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
I just woke up. I'm talking to my sister. Hi.
Hi.
Kinakamusta niya ako. Sabi niya namamagana daw yung batok ko. Hindi ko naman makita. Saan part, ate?
Ayun sa may likod, sa likod. Baba, that side. Yan.
I just finished my coffee and my vitamins. Also, kaninang umaga, gumising din ako ng mga... Gusto mo yung nagbablog ako habang kausap kita to drink my meds. Mga 8 a.m. Today, I'm going to do hyperbaric chamber para mas mabilis yung healing process. And then, after that, balik ako kay Dr. Baker for the check-up after 1 day. Why do I need to do hyperbaric? Kasi para mas mabilis yung healing. Kasi yung advice nila, para talagang maging healthy yung mga baby hair na nilagay, kailangan mo din siyang alagaan and para hindi talaga siya masayang. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng phase na tutubo siya and then after 3 months, mag-fall off ulit siya tapos babalik ulit siya. So para completely lahat ng nilagay, maging healthy na hair and mabuhay talaga siya lahat sa pinaglagyan, you really need to take care of it. Kailangan magpa-hyperbaric, pwede ka din mag-minoxidil, aalagaan mo siya ng mga ganun. Or yung PRP, yung from blood na parang ini-inject. Tapos yung mga yon. So, those are the things that you need to do after the treatment para talagang maging healthy yung hair, mag-thick siya, and maging natural looking hair. So, I'll see you later, guys. Okay, guys. Nandito tayo sa High Point. We're going to do our hyperbaric treatment. Park lang muna tayo. Alam niyo guys, I'm super happy. I did this surgery finally. Ang tagal ko ng dream na gawin to. Kaya lang, hindi ko magawa kasi may downtime lang. But tinaon ko lang talaga na December para at least I really have time to heal. At least, next year, okay na. So, ang problema ngayon, kapag lumalabas, pero sabi nila, pwede ko naman daw takpan. So, I'll just use all my scarves. Buti na lang may use na yung mga scarf ko ngayon. Bawal lang siyang madiinan. So, this is what I do. Shades. And then, patong ko lang siya ng ganyan. Hindi siya pwedeng mahila para ako magsisimba. Yun lang, let's go inside.
Para lang familiar ka, kahit dati, unang-unang indication talaga nito is for diving injuries. If maganda yung energy sa katawan mo, maganda yung function ng cells mo against immune system, it boosts your immune system.
Yeah.
Even the athletes na ginagamit ng hyperbaric for the recovery.
Yes.
You know, kasi also it can decrease inflammatory markers sa katawan mo.
Okay.
So, yung mga inflammation, swelling, and pain. Common feedback ng patient, mas maganda yung tulong nila.
Really?
Yes. Kahit ako, pag nag-hyperbaric ako,
NAD.
maganda siya isabay sa NAD.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Oo. Kasama yan.
Guys, after hyperbaric, we are back at Dr. Baker. Gucci ang atake natin for today. Follow-up check-up. Lilinisin nila yung sugat and i-check kung okay ba siya. And it's in place. Come in. This is Nurse Rona. Mamamaga po ba yung face ko?
Parang hindi ka magain. Kasi kung mamamaga, maga na yan.
Ah, talaga?
Oo,
Thank you, Lord.
Parang hindi ka magain, mag-ice ka na lang.
Okay. Medyo mataas po ang pain tolerance natin. Lamig. Dok, ano to? Ito ba hindi ko pa siya pwedeng tanggalin? Ganyan lang muna siya.
Kasi para madaling Kakadrip mo lang ng vitamin C.
Yes.
Para lalong kumapit
It helps
yan.
ba?
It helps.
Okay. How long it will take to heal?
Full-grown hair, dadaan ka muna ng hair shock face, magko-fall off yan. Scab off. And that's expected.
Mm-hmm.
And then 6 months, 4 to 6 months, lilitaw na yung mga bagong hair.
Bagong hair. So magsimula ulit siya from small baby hairs, tas palaki.
Magkakaroon to ng hair shock. Huwag kang matakot.
Oo.
Expected yun.
Okay.
Yung follicle sa loob ang importante.
Yes, na nasa
so,
loob
the
na siya.
hyperbaric makes you blood flow with so much oxygen para lalong kumapit yung follicle na yun.
Hey guys, I'm about to leave. This is what I'm wearing pala. Nagmamadali ako ngayon kasi gusto kong bumili ng Sanrio. Today is December 24. Hanggang 7 PM lang daw yung mall. And nag-start ng mamaga yung face ko. Hala, hindi ako mamaga. See, I had my surgery nung December 22. That was 2 days ago. Sabi nila usually 1 day after na mamaga na agad. So I thought hindi ako mamamaga. But kaninang morning, nag-start ko makita na parang red tong part na to, tas pababa. Ngayon, ito na siya. I might buy yung parang Nike or Adidas na band para lang mapigilan niya yung pagmaga. So, lalagay ko ganun. And then, Sanrio na black. Kasi pag pink, para akong si Bebang. Hahabol muna ako sa mall because I also have a Christmas party to attend later with sila Tita Porsche and Raph. So, ito, ayan, kailangan ko din bumili ng clip para maklip ko siya ng ganito, yung nakaganyan siya. Or yung ginaganon, anyway, outfit check! Alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nag-aayos. Ang lapit lang naman ang pupuntahan ko. By the way, I live in Greenfield, Mandaluyong, guys. Narealize ko lang, this is such a perfect location for me. Kasi ang lapit ko sa lahat. Sobrang good investment talaga na dito ako bumili ng property. And thank you so much, Harvey, for helping me. If you're planning to invest in a condominium or looking for a perfect location, I think wala akong ibang masasuggest sa inyo kundi this location. Kasi ang lapit nyo sa lahat, ang lapit nyo sa mall. And sa totoo lang, ang dami ko ng kaibigan na palipat dito. And also, walking distance lang ako sa Coffee Blanc. Ang lapit ko sa Shangri-La. Ang lapit ko sa Mega Mall. Podium is also near. And then, even Rockwell actually, sa katabi lang. Tapos may mga parks pa dito. May mga food parks. So, ang dami mong family na makikita. Such a good location. Such a good place to invest in a property. Hindi ako nagsisisi. And thank you so much, Harvey, for that. Wala akong ibang masasuggest kundi Mandaluyong. Not even BGC kasi sobrang traffic na din doon. Malay nyo, bigyan kayo ng discount ni Harvey. Sabihin nyo lang na napanood nyo yung vlog ko. By the way, this is the perfume na gagamitin natin tonight. Yan. So, let's go, guys. I love you. Kita taas pa. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I love you. Hey guys, good morning. Merry Christmas. Today is December 25. I'm just fixing all the clothes. Late na ako nagising. Ito yung clothes na linis na ni Ate Juvie. Iron na niya, na-press niya na ba? Hindi ko pa nababalik because I was busy. Nakakatawa, cute oh. I received this gift from Kaz. Good morning towel. Mahal kita, hayop ka. Can you see? Yan nakalagay oh. Mahal kita, hayop ka. Super cute. And then, I received some gifts from Ate Juvie and my mom. Galing to sa nanay ko. So sweet. So lalagay ko na lang muna dito yung mga gifts. Tapos later, I'll show you guys yung mga gifts na na-receive ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pero hindi ko na ma-unbox lahat. But I'll just show you kung ano yung mga na-receive ko from yesterday. And then, polos. Okay. Please excuse the mess of my hair and naglinis na ako. Anyway, I'm going to share some gifts. These mga skincare, melatonin, yan. So nice. From Mario Badescu. Skincare from Racy. Thank you so much, Race. Love you. I received some gifts from Doju. Thank you, Miss Anne, for sending this. Dito ko na lang nilagay since dalawa lang naman yung chair ko. So, at least may chair sila. And then, pakita ko sa inyo one by one. Joy is so sweet. Kumatok siya. Dinalan ako ng pagkain from Sushinori. Thank you so much, Joy. Mukha akong ewan. Pero hindi na ako mag-aayos, guys. Hindi na ako mahihiya sa inyo. Anyway, this one is from William and Miguel. Thank you so much. This is from Oficine Universal Bully. They have a store in Greenbelt. And first time ko magkakaganito. So, thank you so much, guys. First time ko din magkaganito, guys. Super love ko to. This is all the way from Spain pa. This is from Tita Pors. Thank you so much. It's an Iberico hamon. Kailangan mag-host ako dito ng party para lang makain to. Kagabi din, may Christmas party kami. Nanalo ako. Yay! Tapos nanalo din ako ng cash prizes for the first time in forever. This one is from Sandro. Thank you so much, Sandro. May mga gift packs din ako nakuha. From Kuya Angel, Teacher Jercel, kay Ja, BJ, and Gas. Thank you so much. Another diptyque candle. Bay. From Cap Plus Architect, or yung team na nag-construct ng Coffee Black. Thank you so much, Austin St. Smith from Roque Family. Thank you so much, Miss Rev and Sir Tolitz. From Achi Pinky, Swiss Proly. Oh, this one is from Doc Leola. Thank you so much, Doc Leola. Love you. It's the Met scented candle from walang name. May Guerlain din tayo from Mr. and Mrs. Baker. Thank you so much, guys. Dior sent us gifts. Thank you so much, Dior Philippines. Meron din tayong L'Occitane from Richard and Francis. Thank you so much. Banana cake. Tas may mga keychain from Krisha and Eman. Thank you so much. Nalantakan ko na yung banana cake. Favorite ko kasi to, so kalahati na siya. Kinakain ko every morning. Meron din tayong Ladere from Gab and Harriet. That's just it. I'm going to clean my head. By the way, ito yung binigay nila, 'di ba? Kung maaalala nyo na panglinis sa head. So every paggising ko, nililinis ko siya. Uminom na rin ako ng gamot and vitamins. Yun lang, wala naman ng iba. Wala rin akong gagawin today. I might just edit some videos and yun. Loves you. I loves you. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's been 26 today is 26. It's been 4 days since my surgery and this is, bago ako ikabit to, this is how I look right now. Namamaga na yung noo ko. Pero surprisingly, hindi pa siya bumababa. Hanggang dyan lang siya. Sana hindi na siya bumaba. Hindi pa rin ako nakakahanap ng band for head para at least pigilan siya. Nag-ice compress ako. I also clean it with, of course, the spray that they gave me. Tapos, ang hirap mag-outfit. Siyempre, sinusunod ko yung kulay ng mga scarf na meron ako. Mostly, it's blue and red. So, nahirapan ako. And then, when it comes to pain, hindi siya sumasakit. Isang beses lang, parang natutulog ako, nagising ako. Because it's uncomfortable dahil nga, pwede na akong humiga ng flat. Medyo heavy siya sa likod na part kasi nga nandito yung kung saan nag-harvest. So basically may sugat siya. But I think it's healing properly naman. Maayos naman siya. And then, yun. Today, I'm going to Greenbelt and Rockwell. May mga kailangan lang kaming bilhin ni Mira. Then this is my outfit. It's giving blue. There. Para akong pupunta ng Mykonos. But anyway, I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching this journey of mine. Siguro mag-vlog ako after 3 months or 6 months para sa update ng hair ko. But right now, wala namang difference from since day 1. I think after a week, pwede na ako maligo. So far, hindi pa ako pwede maligo. So ang nagiging problema ko lang, honestly, is kapag sobrang itchy niya. Kasi right now, it's super duper itchy. Hindi ko siya pwedeng kamutin. Tas ito yung ganyan-ganyan lang. Just massage it kahit na super itchy. Yun yung pinaka-challenge. One time, parang na-carried away ako na wala sa isip ko. So parang kumamot ako sa likod. Tapos ang sakit, grabe. I'm trying my best not to do it again kasi parang okay naman. And I'm worried na baka ma-infection siya. And that's why kapag lumalabas din ako, I also put scarf kasi mausok sa labas and iwas lang din infection and all. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope this somehow inspires you to do the surgery kung matagal mo na itong gustong gawin. And also, wala lang, I just really want to share my journey with this one kasi medyo, it's quite life-changing. Kasi syempre, bumaba na yung hairline ko. And I know a lot of people are struggling then when it comes to their hair. So this might help you. And that's just it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao! I loves you!